What'd you say, Nikhil?
My urge to take a dump is getting more and more after having a tea.
Figured I won't even need to know. Lips like your backbone. Things I don't feel at home with all the hormones.
All right. On the way to Kerala, Mr. Nikhil Shetty has taken over the drive. We saw an elephant but could not record it. I wish we could have. The rest of the crew is in the bus right there. We're following for safety and we're having fun. Nikhil was slightly sleepy. He's better now, I'm hoping. My life is in his hands. But yeah, we're so excited. I mean, I'm so excited for having them at the Kadus. I think it's gonna be a blast. I think you guys will be seeing all of it in this vlog now. Yeah, so we were with the gang, I mean right behind them. We just separated to have a tea and some quail eggs. I thought Nikhil should try them. Bro, which hairpin is this? Hairpin number in the 4. Okay. On hairpin number 4. Because this is very happening at this time or any time really. Pretty good. Chai also looks good.
So it'll improve.
Soothes and relaxes blood circulation.
But I already have this now. When in case I already have this, will it be of any good for me?
Extra.
Redundancy.
Even more.
I think I have enough.
There is no limit. Don't restrict yourself, Nikhil.
Nikhil, after 21 years of life, one thing that I've really understood.
How many years?
More
Of life?
21.
I'm 30. So
Yeah, but you've not realized, no? Busy doing MBBS, this boy. More is better.
okay, fine. If you say so, I'll go for it. Yes, I'll go for it.
More is always better. So Nikhil is gonna go have a nice massage and eye thing.
No, nothing on the.
Nothing on the eye. His eyes are a little sensitive like that. And Kavya is excited for Nikhil. So am I.
Why don't you guys also?
It's okay. I'm 22, he's 21. You're 30. You need it.
You need it.
Don't remind me of my age, guys.
You need it.
Alright, best of luck.
30 is not that old also.
It's not. You don't look old. Who told?
Thanks.
We finished breakfast. Everybody has deloaded. Nikhil, how was your breakfast?
Breakfast is amazing. I had parotha and appam and fish curry.
Okay.
Really loved it.
What are we doing now?
We are going to a beach. And
Yeah.
I'm snorkeling because only the people who know proper swimming can snorkel.
And he knows how to swim till 150 meters.
No,
You said 150.
150 meters is
150
adequate.
kilometers.
Kilometers. 1.5 kilometers.
1.5 kilometers.
Hey guys.
Himali,
Yeah.
what's going on?
I'm so to
If Nikhil can do it 150 meters, I can do 500 meters.
He can do fine. Okay, so it's becoming competition
I
now.
like being the inspiration to people. This is the whole motive of my life. I want to inspire people.
Okay. So yeah, we're headed to the beach now. And me and Sumina are planning on snorkeling. I should say hi.
Hi.
Hi to us only. We are only watching. Hi. Kavya, what's going on? I see the mess that is your bag.
We're packing for the day.
What the fuck? Okay. Ban, say hi. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Nothing has happened yet. They're just tired, honestly.
True. I want to bath.
Okay. We're going to the beach though. Okay, you do that.
Beach?
Yo, what's up?
Hello.
She's
to the beach,
so she's been the only one who's been tripping quite hard.
Bitch in the beach.
Relax. No sleep problems. Yeah. Okay. Kadu is right there again, being Kadu. And yeah. Bro, say hi.
What's up, gang?
Yeah, let's go. I'll catch you guys when I start leaving. So we're headed out to the gym now. Where are we going? So we're headed out to the beach now. Look at her looking cool as fuck. Nikhil looking the same old, like all grandpa shit only he does.
Hey, I'm changing there in the beach.
Yeah.
I was told not to
He'll change the beach only.
You're also changing the beach, right?
But Nikhil, look at me. I look like I'm going to the beach. What the fuck you look like? Yeah.
Hindu mal.
Say hello.
Hi.
Where are we going?
Beach.
And what are we doing?
This fellow is doing snorkeling. We are just there for aesthetics.
All the best. Kit Kat got over, huh?
Kit Kat.
Half a Kit Kat fell down. That's the saddest thing I've ever seen. We're doing outfit checks now. Starting with the greatest. Explain yourself.
With my swimsuit under my clothes, I look very lame. Thank you.
Confidence की बात सुनिए. Okay.
Disha,
So this is my outfit.
what's going on?
This is what I'm gonna wear for beach. This is my beach pants and beach top and beach dupatta.
So this is my.
Come in the sun.
Yeah, I'll come. Somebody's son should see. So yeah, my red hair is the outfit actually. But let's talk about my pink one. So I'm wearing shorts. I'm wearing a tank top. I'm wearing my denim jacket because without this I don't go anywhere. This is just going to the beach outfit. Beach outfit is different.
Greatest of the greatest.
Yeah, so
All.
the beach outfit is. It is what it is.
Nothing.
You know? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. My birthday suit is my beach outfit. And here is our little devil eating my poncho currently. The rest of it, there.
मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों खुद की भी सुन ले कभी मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों खुद की भी सुन ले कभी
Me and Seema just made it here. We're waiting for the rest of them, but we found a nice personal spot for all of us, and it looks good. Let's just hope nobody has a problem with us being here, and I'll get back to you guys once they're here.
Snorkeling 101, very simple. All you gotta do is have your goggles as tight as you can on your face. Remember not to breathe out with your nose. Bite it and put your lip all around it. Make sure the snorkel is positioned on the top. So the advantage of snorkeling is just you'll be able to see down when you're snorkeling. So you don't have to come up for breath. So you can just keep looking down. So if there is a shark around, you'll be able to figure it out. Or if you see corals, you can dive deep.
Okay, so we have our fins on, and I have my snorkel on. We're heading out. Let's
The
go.
water is very, very murky, so we'll probably do like 10 minutes and then come back.
Alright guys, so we just finished swimming in the ocean. I took everybody in. Deep, show ocean. There. And then she also came in today.
Come on, man.
It was fun. We're coming back tomorrow. We're going to a better place, in fact. Not everyone had the balls to snorkel with me and Sumin, but guess who did? Himali did. We went in as far as she was comfortable, and honestly, super proud of you, bro.
Thank you.
All in all, an amazing day. Even Devil had his first swim today. Bro, was this Devil's first swim?
Yeah. He was at the beach before, but Devil's first swim. Look at him. He looks so tired. We're eating junk to recover from this long day of swimming. We wrestled also, me and my brother. It was fun. Alright, I'll head back to the camp and report to you guys. Peace.
रहे ना किसी का हमें यही कहे ये पल जिंदगी का हमें
अता पता रहे ना किसी का यही कहे ये पल जिंदगी का के खुद गर्ज सी ख्वाहिश लिए बेसास भी हम तुम जिए गुलाबी गुलाबी समा सूरज डूबा है यारों दो घुट नशे के मारो रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बार के सूरज डूबा है यारों दो घुट नशे के मारो गम तुम भुला दो सारे संसार के
Man, sit straight. Everybody's posture is fine now. So we just stopped for a quick snack. Me and Shima already ate, but the others wanted to. So they're having loaded beef fries.
It's beef. It's banging.
It's banging. I thought she said it's bangan.
Yeah, banging fry.
So I think. Oh, by the way, what did you like about the other restaurant, dude?
Cucumber pickle. Oh my goodness, it's so good. You guys should come and try. I don't know the place though.
Do I remember the place? Just cucumber pickle. I think you can make it at home. It's just cucumber, salt, water, and vinegar. I think, and chilies also. Mali, how do you like the food here? Huh? We are not sponsored by them. I have 36 followers. What sponsor again?
The veg rolls, like tasted like my mom's momos, and they took offense, so you can.
Your mom makes momos?
Sorry, I didn't.
Your mom makes momos?
Yeah, but time
Ask
to
her to
time, yeah.
stop.
I do. My sister's request that is. I don't.
Your sisters request her to make or stop.
Make.
You are a Gouda.
But that girl is weird. I can't justify her
Girl
behavior.
now. Ask her to make bassaru. Not momos. Right, guys?
Yes.
Racism all the way down. Alright. Bye.
Can somebody do me?
सूरज डूबा है यारों दो घुट नशे के मारो रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बार के सूरज डूबा है यारों दो घुट नशे के मारो गम तुम भुला दो सारे संसार के Ask me for anything, I can give you everything रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बार के Ask me for anything, I can give you everything तुम भुला दो सारे संसार के I'm falling in love, baby, for the first time.
Telegrammer ಕಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲದೆ ನೀನು ಹುಡುಕ್ಕೆ ಹಕ್ಕಿನ ಬಲನು